First timing Heston scrambled eggs. The original recipe uses 7 eggs, but I'm roughly halving everything since I'm just making it for myself. Turns out there was a measuring spoon at home, so I'll probably use it more often from now on. Since I already had whipping cream from when I made tiramisu, I figured I'd use it instead of buying double cream. 1 tablespoon goes into the mix, the others getting saved for hazelnut butter, aka beurre noisette later. Originally, this step's meant to be first, but I'm not great at multitasking in the kitchen yet, so I moved it to step 2. Putting the lid on to help it heat up faster. Looks about right. Back on low heat since all we need is a gentle simmer. From making Jamie Oliver's French scrambled eggs before, I already know this little double boiling maneuver is gonna cost me 15 minutes. It's cooking so slow, I've got time to salt it now after totally forgetting about it in step 1. Thankfully, I learned from last time that lifting it off the heat occasionally helps keep the temperature steady and gentle. Now I need to quickly plate this and wash my pan to make the hazelnut butter. Unlike Heston, who cooks the eggs and makes the butter at the same time, I just didn't feel like washing 2 pans. I've never heard of beurre noisette before, let alone make it. Let's see how it turns out. Lid on just to speed this up because the scrambled eggs are getting colder as we speak. This looks pretty brown to me. I'm remaking it, but this time I'm skipping the lid so I can actually keep an eye on it. This looks good enough. I'm not making it a 3rd time or the eggs will be cold. Didn't really want to buy a whole bottle of sherry vinegar, so I'm using this red wine vinegar I had left over from when I made Kenji Lopez's miso sesame vinaigrette a few weeks ago. Heston drizzles quite a bit of beurre noisette over his eggs, but I played it pretty safe because I could always add more later. I'd say this one turned out pretty well. You've got those white bits of egg white blending into the golden creamy eggs, and the texture looks right. Anyway, let's try this. Way too salty, 3 for taste. But there's real potential here, easily an 8.5 if it's seasoned right. The creaminess of the egg gets balanced out by the red wine vinegar, and the brown butter adds a subtle sweet toasted vibe, even though I could have cooked it a bit longer. Ease is a 5. Feel free to pause the video, otherwise take care, bye!